Want a real Hostinger coupon code and a quick Hostinger review? In this video, I'll show you how to get one of the best web hosting deals available today. To unlock the offer, just click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, and you'll get an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months applied automatically at checkout. Here's something you should know. Many links online only give around a 10% extra discount, but this one gives a full 20% extra discount, along with 3 extra months, which makes it one of the best Hostinger deals you can get right now. If the price looks different for your region, just click the flag icon at the top right and select your country to update the pricing instantly. In this Hostinger review, one of the biggest highlights is how fast and easy everything is. You get strong performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and light-speed servers for better speed. The Hostinger website builder makes it simple to build a professional site, even if you're new. You also get a clean control panel, one-click WordPress setup, and reliable uptime. Because of its performance and ease of use, Hostinger is often ranked among the best web hosting platforms. And every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it with confidence. With the extra 20% discount plus 3 additional months, the total price becomes much more affordable. So if you're planning to launch your website, just use the link below or scan the QR code to activate this deal instantly. And when you want to scale, Hostinger offers advanced options like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger openclaw, and Hostinger N8N. To secure the full savings, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now and claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months.